Changing your payout method on Stockman Bank is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payout method is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Stockman Bank website and log into your online banking account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings or profile section. This is typically found in the main menu or under your account name. Step 3. Select payout method. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SREP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Choose new payout methods. Select the option to change or add a new payout method. You may have options such as direct deposit, check, or electronic transfer. Choose the one that best suits your needs. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting your new payout method, make sure to save your changes. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your payout method has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily change your payout method on Stockman Bank. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.